double-decker pizza pasta for those who want both.
Right over to here and lay it right across. And now I've got tomato sauce here. I'm gonna put that right in the center, a couple of spoonfuls. And now ground pork and ground beef, a couple of nice spoonfuls right in the center. And now some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese, a nice handful of that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold our lasagna sheets, just two sides. Beautiful. And now what we're gonna do is repeat the process. You want lasagna or pizza, you can have them both right here in this beautiful little package. All right, we've got our fresh lasagna layers, and now we're gonna go over here to our second pizza, garlic oil. I'm gonna pour a nice generous portion, and I'm gonna squeeze this roasted garlic head right on top to give that some extra savory umami flavor into our crust. And now we're gonna cut right down the center. Don't go all the way to the end of the crust, leave about an inch. And we're gonna go in a cross. And now we're gonna transfer this over to our lasagna pizza. We've got a hat for it. And now we open our pizza up to reveal our lasagna right inside. We're gonna top this lasagna off. We want another layer of all the ingredients. And now, don't be shy with the cheese. Nice layer of cheese right on top. And now we're gonna take this and transfer it to our pan. And now we can take this on to the oven to bake it off. 350-degree oven to let the cheese melt and let it get golden brown. All right, our double-decker lasagna stuffed pizza, hot and fresh from the oven. I've got crispy pepperonis that I've already roasted off, so they're nice and crispy. And now I've got some jalapenos. And we're just gonna decorate this, give it some color and a little bit of spice, some fresh basil. Well, last but not least, a little bit of an onion pop with some chives. And there you have it, lasagna stuffed double-decker pizza. Cut a nice slice right out the middle here. Beautiful. Oh, look at that, all the layers of lasagna, that beautiful stringy mozzarella cheese there.